So here you're just going to write 0 as a log to a base 10. So you can write this as log to base 10 of 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 1 is equal to log to base 10 of 10 to power 0. So from the third law, if you rewrite this, if you pre-multiply by 0, you're going to get a 0. So that log there is the same as 0. So now that you have both logs are to base 10, the log of this number is equal to the log of that number. So it means that this number and that number are the same. So you're allowed to say that 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 1 is equal to 10 power 0. And 10 power 0 from the loss of indices, that is equal to 1. So we have 2x plus 1, 3x minus 1 is equal to 1. So we can expand this. So we have 2x into 3x minus 1 plus 1 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 1. So that is 6x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 1. So if you collect like terms there, you're going to have 6x squared plus x. If this one comes this side, is going to be minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation which we need to solve. We can use any method, but in this case let us use the factorization method. So we're going to look for two numbers whose product is 6 by negative 2, whose product is 12, and the sum is 1. Okay, so those two numbers are negative 3 and 4. So we split b is 1 in this case. We split it into negative 3 and 4. So we write this equation as 6x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the common factor between this and this is 3x. So we have 3x into 2x minus 1. So we have this 2x minus 1 there. Then for us to obtain negative 2 here, we need to multiply by 2. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So we factor out. So we have 3x plus 2, and you have 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, and that is equal to 0. So for a product of two numbers to be 0, it means one of them is 0. So if 3x plus 2 is 0, then we'll have 3x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative 2 over 3. And if we take that 2x minus 1 is the one that is 0, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then that means we are going to have 2x is equal to 1. So x is going to be 1 over 2. So x is either negative 2 over 3 or 1 over 2. But look at this, we are getting the log of a number. So in this case we're going to go with a positive value because we cannot get the log of a negative number. So we pick x is equal to half.